Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radios since 1977. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Megavolt Electrocycles, throw your leg over the future today. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
NHOU Protective Coatings got its start protecting vehicles from rust, and of course that's what they're famous for. But Joey, once you started listening to customers, what kind of requests did they have for you and some problems that they wanted you to solve?
Rust protection is our #1 priority, but I've had a lot of customers that have had major rodent issues in recent days. And I've noticed on multiple customers that they've put peppermint under their hood to help prevent the rodents from chewing up their wires. So we decided to do our own product just for rodent protection, and that's our mouse out oil. What we do is we add peppermint menthol to it and a little bit of a predatory scent, but other than that, it's the same oil as you know it. And oil in itself is a natural deterrent because it doesn't dry.
Why do mice want to get into your vehicle in the first place?
Well, in recent days with the newer vehicles, a lot of the insulation is made from soy. So they're attracted to that. Plus, it's just a warm place for them to go, especially in the winter months.
The new cars are delicious, apparently, according to the mice.
You're telling me.
Yeah, how well does the mouse out work?
It's still primarily to help with the rust, right? But it is going to, on some level, help deter the rodents.
The mouse out is just one example of how you listen to your customers here at NHOU Protective Coatings. How important is it to hear what they have to say and hear their feedback?
Very important. Our whole company started from listening to customers. Our very first product, which is the NH Black, was just guys that had rusty trucks. They wanted to improve the look, and that's what really kind of helped take our business off. So we're all about that.
NHOU Protective Coatings has the largest testing laboratory in the world. They have thousands of vehicles all over the country using their product. NHOiLundercoating.com is where you can find out more and how to get it on your vehicle. When you go to DragonfireTools.com, you're going to find the highest quality tool storage solutions. You're also going to find a tremendous variety, lots of drawer configurations. Lou, how do those items all fit into a system like this?
Well, as you can see here, we have a 7-foot workbench, and we have one of our 9-foot 4 1/4 workbenches, and also one of our locker cabinet. Above our 24 drawer 7-foot workbench there, we have 3 wall cabinets, which are the exact same length as the workbench. And over here, we have 4 wall cabinets, which is the exact same length as the 9-foot 4 1/4 workbench. To be able to put those together into a corner without having an actual corner unit is tough, right? Because you're gonna have a blank space there. So this year we came out with the lower corner units and the upper corner units to be able to match up in that type of space.
Of course, it maximizes the use of space, but also gives it a great uniform look. And how important is that to a lot of the professionals you deal with?
A lot of the professional shops that we work with, they want a uniform look in their shop. So rather than having a red toolbox and a blue toolbox and a green toolbox with stickers all over it, okay, we chose and went with the gunmetal gray for the best color configuration because gunmetal gray goes with everything. And it just looks modern and professional.
Now the pros are using this not just because it looks good, but because these are going to take a beating day in, day out. What are some of the construction features that are going to make sure this lasts forever?
We're using single and double railed systems on these. Our thin drawers are single railed and rated for 200 pounds, and our deep drawers are double railed and rated for 400 pounds. A lot of the drawers, including the deep drawers and the wide drawers, have top hat gussets underneath for strength and rigidity.
These units from DragonfireTools.com are going to take the abuse of everyday use. They're great for your home. They're great for your professional shop. Again, you can find them at DragonfireTools.com. That's also where you can find a discount code Motorhead. Going to get you free shipping and a discount. What a season it's been here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We've got another great season in store, and it kicks off next week when we head to the PRI show in Indianapolis. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, we will see you next time. So long.